Guys, what if a tiny box could replace a full-size powerhouse PC? The Mac Mini M5 Pro is one of the most anticipated Apple devices right now. While Apple has not officially launched the Mac Mini M5 Pro yet, we do have confirmed specifications for the M5 Pro chip itself, along with strong industry leaks that help us understand what this machine could become. Apple has officially introduced the M5 Pro chip as part of its next generation Apple Silicon lineup. According to Apple's official specifications, the M5 Pro features an advanced 18-core CPU design, combining high performance and efficiency cores for demanding, multitasking, and professional workloads. It also includes a powerful GPU configuration with up to 20 cores, designed for intensive graphics tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and high-end creative production. Apple confirms that the M5 series is built on an advanced 3nm architecture, focusing heavily on AI performance and energy efficiency. This allows faster processing, improved power management, and significantly better machine learning performance across apps and macOS features. These improvements are part of Apple's broader shift toward AI-driven computing across its ecosystem. Now, when we connect this official chip information with Mac Mini leaks, the expectations become even more exciting. Reports suggest that Apple will bring the M5 and M5 Pro chips into the Mac Mini lineup without major changes to the external design. The compact and minimal look is expected to remain the same, meaning Apple is focusing on internal performance upgrades rather than redesigning the product. Performance is expected to be the biggest upgrade. The Mac Mini M5 Pro could deliver a significant jump in CPU and GPU power compared to previous generations. This would directly improve tasks such as 4K and 8K video editing, software development, music production, and 3D rendering. The system is expected to handle heavy workloads more smoothly and maintain performance even under pressure. A major highlight is AI performance. The M5 Pro chip includes a significantly improved neural engine, which enhances on-device artificial intelligence processing. This means faster machine learning tasks, smarter application behavior, and better integration with AI features in macOS. Apple is clearly pushing its ecosystem toward more intelligent computing. Memory and storage are also expected to improve significantly. Leaks suggest that unified memory may start at around 16 gigabytes, with higher configurations going up to 64 gigabytes for professional users. Storage options are also expected to scale higher, making the Mac Mini more suitable for demanding workflows and large creative projects. Connectivity is another important upgrade area. The Mac Mini M5 Pro is expected to support next-generation wireless standards, including Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 through Apple's newer networking hardware. Higher-end models may also include Thunderbolt 5 support, enabling faster data transfer speeds and better multi-display setups for professional users. Pricing and release timing are still based on industry expectations. Reports suggest that Apple may announce the Mac Mini M5 Pro in 2026, possibly during a major Apple event like WWDC. Pricing is expected to remain competitive for the base model, while the M5 Pro version will likely target professional users at a higher price point. It is important to clearly understand that only the M5 Pro chip itself is officially confirmed by Apple. The Mac Mini M5 Pro configuration is still based on leaks, analyst reports, and industry predictions. Tell us your opinion, guys. Subscribe the Upgrade Zone for daily updates.